Hi traders, good evening all. So what is the plan for tomorrow? Let's see. Today market opened a gap down with respect to previous close. It was inside previous day's range, but it was a gap down. It started scaling down. It was taking a support around this value area low. Okay, this value area low was keep on supporting, and then late noon there was a down move which again rejected. And if you see this zone is nothing but the test of this high. Okay, so it came all the way and it tested here. On this rejection I bought a call, but it was slowly moving till here. It was slowly moving and the call price was not scaling higher, so I gave up the trade. But from 245 it moved 80 points in straight manner, testing previous days POC level and value area high level. So this is where it went. Okay, so it went and tested this. So what happened in Bank Nifty? The same. Again it opened a gap down, started coming down, but it took a support here, came up, then down, kind of rotation, slow rotations. Then along with Nifty it started spiking, testing the POC and previous days value area high. So tomorrow my expectation is, in case if market opens a gap up, let's say above 35,700, okay, and if it starts going above 35,800 with a momentum on a pullback, I will be looking to buy for targets of 35,950 and 36,050. Okay, that is my plan. In case if a gap up comes or flat opens comes inside 35,500 mark, okay, I will be shorting looking for 35,400 and 35,310 levels. So this is the plan for Bank Nifty. On Nifty the plan remains the same. If a gap open happens above all-time high, I will be looking how the momentum being created here. On the pullback I will be buying looking for 15,700 and 725 levels. In case if it opens here, if it rejects and comes down, I will be waiting for 15,580 zone to break, where I will be shorting looking for 15,540 levels. Okay, so this is my trade plan for Nifty. And coming to open interest part, so Nifty, the highest open interest is around 15,700. Call open interest around 15,700. On put open interest it is at 15,000 level. Morning it was around 16,000, then this thing shifted towards here and this is standing stall. Even it was here actually 15,600 was the highest open interest. It shifted from 16,000 to 15,600. Then because of that spike this got reduced and this reclaimed the highest call open interest, and 15,000 put open interest is the highest and it remains the same. Tomorrow we need to watch. And Bank Nifty, So Bank Nifty, the same case. 35,500 is the highest call open interest, and then next comes around 36,000. So in case if this still remains the same, so I feel expiry could be below 35,500 only. Okay, and the range as of now is 35,000 to 35,500. In case of gap up, okay, in case of gap up above 35,500 and again comes down, so probably expiry could be below 35,500. I mean between these ranges. In case if it is a good gap up and keeps scaling higher, and if this OI gets reduced, then probably we might test these levels also tomorrow. So depends on open, and first 1 hour auction will tell what is the thing. Okay, Reliance, there was a short trade yesterday. I just want to explain you what was the rationale behind Reliance short trade. So Reliance, if you take so this is the daily chart. Here this level is a strong supply level. Okay, 2200 level is a strong supply level. Okay, this level here, after long time price is testing the zone. Okay, after long time price is testing the zone, and if you see the call open interest on Reliance picks around the same. So yesterday it was around 44 lakhs. So when it was coming there, it was testing a resistance level first time after nearly say like 2 to 3 months. So March we were here, April, May, so around June first we are testing it. So what I expected was it ran up, it will pull the late longs in. Okay, that was the wave. So here this 2200 level, here this was our strategy yesterday. Short, use this zone. Okay, this to this, use this zone to short and look for this and this. Okay, basically this towards the open. So exactly it played, we played via 2200 put option, which paid off very well. So here the psychology is catch the guys who is running and catching the trade, chasing trade, and they all get caught up. So it was an easy 2 to 3 hour trade here. Okay, so that was the thing here. Okay guys, so that's it for now. So let me catch you all next week. Have a great expiry day trading, and as always respect risk. If there is trade, else stay away. Don't force trades. Okay, take care all. Bye. Good night.